Yeah, that's right. I know. Okay, I'll call you back. All right.
Where is it?
Where is what?
What are you even doing here? You're meant to be out.
Last time I checked, this is my room.
I meant, what are you doing at home? You know, you were supposed to go out with your friends and, I don't know.
Oh, I cancelled. And what are you looking for?
Sanitary towel, I need one.
I thought you bought one yesterday.
Yeah, but I'm having heavy flows, like, it's finished.
Here.
Thank you. You owe me gist though, so I'll be right back.
Don't come back. There is no gist. Yeah. Yeah, that was my sis. So as we're saying, I met this guy, so fine, so cute.
So, did you have a fight?
No?
Tell me, Bunmi, what happened?
Their boyfriend decided to come along.
Boyfriends?
Yes?
They both have boyfriends?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you were like, what, 15, 16 years old?
I'm the youngest among my friends, Tayo. Sonia is 19 and Tara is 20.
Well, if you ask me, I think you should get friends your age then.
That's not the point, Tayo.
So what's the point?
The point is, if I had a boyfriend too, we could all go out together, but me without a boyfriend, I'll be the extra person there. So I just had to cancel.
That's good of you. You're so smart. So if you want, I could take you to the cinemas tomorrow.
You still don't get it. Movie is not the issue.
So what's the issue?
You won't understand. Nobody in this house understands me. That's it.
Whatever. Truthfully, I don't understand you. I don't even want to. I have more important issues to take care of than a movie and boyfriends. If you're still interested, I'll take you out tomorrow.
I'm not interested.
Whatever.
Come here.
Your sister wants a boyfriend.
Who?
Who else? She says she wants a boyfriend because her friends have boyfriends. Isn't that epic?
I thought Bunmi was more intelligent than that.
Oh, for Christ's sake. She's just 16, Shade. How intelligent can she be? Anyway, I just thought to come gist you.
And what did you tell her?
What's it concern me? I mean, what's my business? If she wants a boyfriend, she go get a boyfriend now. I beg go. I have more pressing issues than that one right now. Like this period that keeps flowing like a river. I don't know why women have to go through this one. Dad, though. I mean, times like this, I actually wish I was a guy.
That serves you right. When you won't stop taking sweet things. I warned you, didn't I?
Look, nothing can take sweet things away from me. Huh? Not you. Not this period. Not even death. Okay, maybe death then.
Anyway, where's Bunmi now?
She's in her room. I guess Sam has come to the house then.
Who's Sam?
Huh?
Who's Sam?
Oh, Sam. Not my friend now. Remember that guy that we met at the cinema? That tall, cute one.
Tayo, come on. You have loads of tall, cute... Oh, the light-skinned one?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I remember him. So why is he coming over?
We have loads of assignments to do. We're actually supposed to go to the school library before, but with this period, man, I can't leave the house. He has to come over.
Alright. Unfortunately for you, your father has traveled. So that makes it easier for you.
Excuse me? What are you trying to say? That if Dad was around, I would not have invited my friend over?
I don't know. I'm just saying.
Ah, Shade. Sam is just a friend. I don't have a problem with Dad meeting him.
Okay, Naira. I've heard you.
You better go talk to your 16-year-old boyfriendless girlfriend wannabe sister.
What is this I hear about you wanting a boyfriend?
What?
Taya says you want a boyfriend.
Those were not my exact words. I said having a boyfriend won't be a bad idea. But that's not gonna happen anyway.
And why not?
Because no one wants me. No one wants to date me. They love spending time with me. They think I'm funny and sweet. But no one has ever asked me to be their girlfriend.
Oh, sweetheart. Don't worry. It's just a matter of time, okay? When the time is right, you will meet someone who would like you enough to want to date you. Not just yet.
So why not now?
Let's see. For starters, you're still too young. And secondly, you want to go into a relationship for all the wrong reasons. You shouldn't make decisions based on what everyone else is doing.
So how will I know when a guy really likes me?
You will know. The things he says, the way he looks at you, the things he does. And then finally, he's gonna tell you, babe, I promise, when you meet a guy who really likes you, you will know. Okay?
Okay.
Come on.
Thank you.
Hey, you! Been a while.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where have you been?
School. I've been in school.
School. Oh, yeah. Final year SS3, right?
Yes.
Wow. Wow. Big girl.
Really?
Big girl.
Thank
You're
you.
all grown now. Eh?
Thank you.
And you look good too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. You come in. Come and sit. Come.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let me get tired for you, okay?
All right, please.
Just 1 minute. Oh, she's here.
It's your 2 p.m., Abby.
Oh, Medusa. No vex now. Eh? Traffic was actually heavy out there. But then I'm here now. Hey, Bunmi's all grown now. Why did you stop bringing her to campus now?
It's because of people like you now. People are trying to spoil my baby sister for me, Abby. Besides, she has her own school too, don't you?
True thing. It's a good thing you kept her away from those horny uni students. Otherwise, they would have been on her case.
Honey, uni student. Aren't you a university student yourself?
Nah, you should know. I'm one of the good ones. Besides, I wouldn't want to do anything to hurt your beautiful sister.
Look at this one, oh. Smiling sheepishly. You better not listen to this one, oh. Don't listen to him. In fact, go into your room. I don't like what's happening here. Just go.
Should I get you something to drink?
Yeah, anything.
To your room. You. Stay away from my sister, oh. You better stay away from my sister, oh. Else, I will kill you.
Calm your horses. Calm your horses down, Medusa. What for you?
Gynecologist is specialist in women's reproductive health.
Okay.
But internists or family practitioners, trained nurse practitioners, and physician's assistants are all.
Hey, Shade.
Hi, Sam. How you doing?
Doing fine. And you?
Not bad. Welcome.
Thank you.
And well done.
So.
Have you had anything to eat or drink?
I hear you say anything. Medusa here hasn't offered me anything.
Medusa. The name is Tayo. If you remember. I said work first before food. Besides, there's nothing in the house to eat yet.
Right. I'm just about to make lunch, so you guys just keep working and lunch will be ready in a bit.
All right, thank you.
Hello.
You're just a hungry man. Constantly hungry.
Aren't we all hungry people? Wow.
Is everything all right?
Wow. You look lovely.
Thank you.
Like the English people would say, dapper.
Oh, thank you.
You look good. You going for a date or you want to tell me about the lucky dude?
Not really.
Bunmi, I thought your outing was cancelled.
It is.
So where are you going to?
Nowhere.
So, why are you all dressed up? A tad too dressed up, if I may add.
But she looks good to me.
I don't know why you guys are talking like this, so. Anyways, I'm hungry. Won't we make lunch?
We?
Make lunch. Since when?
You want to make lunch dressed like that? Are you alright?
I'm fine. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, let me just go and make something very, very nice for you, okay?
But you know she looked gorgeous.
Stop saying that. She looked gorgeous, you know. Stop saying that. I wouldn't be surprised if the girl actually did all that to actually impress you. Makeup or a short dress.
For me?
Duh. Who else? She won't even know that. You're just being your normal, flirty self. So you're throwing compliments here and there.
And, sorry. Go. Yes, Dad? No, I haven't. I was thinking I should be there by 4 p.m. Oh, okay. I'll go now. I'll call you as soon as I get there. Okay, Dad. All right, thank you. Bye.
Are you running errands for your dad?
Yes, he wants me to deliver a very pivotal consignment for a colleague of his. But then, I'll be back. I won't take long, trust me.
Please don't. You know we have a lot to do and we've not even gone far. We only have today and tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. No problem. Well, by the way.
What?
Do I look like a flirt? Nope. Why then do you always keep calling me flirt? Please, I don't like the way you say that.
I don't like the way you say that, please. Stop it. Just go and come back. We have assignments to do. Flirt. Flirt. Come back on time. Oh.
No problem.
Did you do all this for Sam?
What?
All of this? The dress and the makeup?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I think you do, young lady. And I am just so embarrassed on your behalf.
See, I'm not a child anymore. Everyone should just stop treating me like I'm one, okay?
Maybe when you stop behaving like one, then we will.
Yo, what's going on? Hey, you. What is this rubbish you're wearing?
Ask
Who bought it for you, Seth?
I bought it, and it's not rubbish.
You bought it and you decided that today of all days, when Sam is coming, is the right day to wear it, Abby, with I am available written over your face.
Just leave me alone, both of you, okay? I don't know why God gave me sisters like you two. God!
Hey. Hormonal issues, I guess.
It's probably PMS. Where's Sam?
I don't know. He said he had to run some errands for his dad, but I don't know. Speaking of PMS, I am going through my own myself.
It's alright. I think what we have to do right now is keep our unhit sister away from him. Now, before it turns into unwanted pregnancy. I beg, I don't get time to back baby.
Girl, you are mean.
Okay.
Anyway, I need to go change, if you know what I mean. I'll be back. It's me and you that's fighting. It's you and Bunmi now.
Tayo.
Yeah?
It's almost 8 p.m. here, and time is running late. I think I have to go home.
God will judge Professor Chooks for all this he's put me through today, man.
Stop whining already. We are almost done.
Almost. I haven't even touched Dr. BC's assignment yet.
Dr. BC. Hers isn't as complicated as what we have here. Talking about technicality, Dr. BC. That reminds me, where is Bunmi? I didn't get to see her when I got back here.
Oh, so she's supposed to stand at the door and wait for you when you get back, right?
Oh, come on. Shut up. Where is she?
I don't know. Maybe in a room, I don't know.
Okay. Okay, go get her for me, please, if you don't mind.
Why? I mind. Why?
Go and get Bunmi for me, please.
Why should I go and get Bunmi for you, please?
Just get her for me. I just want to say goodbye. That's all.
You can't even come to tell me he was leaving.
And what are you? His girlfriend?
That's not the point.
I don't care what the point is. I'm tired of these silly tantrums of yours. You have to stop it. Do you hear me?
You're just jealous because he likes me.
Excuse me? Say what?
You heard me. You're jealous because he likes me.
You're only delusional, honey. Trust me. What has come over you?
Nothing has come over me. He likes me and I like him. And there is nothing anyone can do about it.
Let's just...
What are you watching?
Dear mother,
Where's Tayo?
I don't know.
You don't know? You've not seen her today?
I just got out of my room.
Right. You've been stewing in there since yesterday. Anyway, I'm going out with Sonia this evening and I should be back later. You'll be fine?
I'm not a child.
Yeah?
We're going out.
Yeah, where are you going?
I have a shoot.
Sam was supposed to come over, right?
Yeah, but it postponed the submission date, so I have more time to myself. I gotta go on my shoot. Bye, guys.
All right. Seems like it should just be adult Bunmi in the house. Have fun, will ya?
Come in. Hi.
Hey, sweet thing. What's cracking?
I'm fine.
Wow.
You're welcome.
Seems like an empty house today. Where is everyone? I tried ringing Tayo, but she wouldn't pick my call.
Oh, yeah, she went for a shoot.
A shoot?
She said she texted you not to cancel today's work, so she went for a shoot.
Did I get her text message? Oh, yeah, I reckon, yeah. Apparently, she must have heard the rumor that our submission date has been postponed.
Really?
Oh, yeah. And, where is Shade? She went out too?
Yes, she went with a friend.
Poor you. So they both left you all alone. You must be really bored.
No, I'm not bored. I mean, yes, I'm actually bored, but I'm watching Dear Mother.
Oh, Dear Mother.
Yeah.
What season?
Season 5.
Oh, my favorite season.
Really?
Yeah, sure.
Oh.
I hope you don't mind if I sit and watch with you because the traffic out there is really heavy and I'm not willing to get on that road for now.
Oh, I don't mind at all.
Oh,
I
really?
don't, yeah. I was actually making noodles. Do you want some?
Oh, yes, please. I'm famished.
Okay, with or without veggies?
Vegetarian boy. I love my veggies.
Okay, I'll be right back, okay?
All right.
Oh my god. That was hilarious.
You're such a sweet and smart mouth.
You got me talking, you know?
But then you're so much fun. And beautiful. Absolutely very pretty. The sort that any man would be lucky to have.
Thank you. Can I ask you a sincere question?
Go ahead, beautiful.
Do you like me?
Sorry?
I mean, yeah, I like you, and it's obvious you like me too, but...
Hang on. I think I have to leave.
You're leaving?
Yes.
Why? Did I do wrong?
It's better that way. You are more like a sister to me, and I don't want to have anything to soil this relationship. Okay?
A sister?
Of course. I have a younger sister about your age, although she studies abroad. And I love her passionately. And each time I look at your face, you remind me so much of her. Okay? You're good.
Okay, I'll let her know you came.
Please do. Although I would call her when I get back home. But then, thanks for the meal and the company. You're such an awesome girl. Okay? I'll see you later. All right? Bye.
What happened?
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I didn't mean any of it. I didn't mean anything I said.
Okay, spill it. What happened?
I just had time to think. And I realized that I said some horrible things to you too. I'm really sorry.
Think? Really? So you've not been thinking all this while, Abby?
Stop it, Tayo. She's trying here. Come on. Give her a break.
I'm sorry. I didn't know what came over me. Sorry.
Well, just might be hormones. They do that sometimes.
It's alright, Bunmi. We forgive you.
Thank you.
Don't we, Tayo?
Of course. We forgive your monstrosity. Come here.
Thank you. Thank you so much. But you said I'll know when a guy likes me. I thought I knew, but I didn't.
Okay, I'm lost.
Is this about Sam?
Yes. He came here and I thought he liked me, but he said I'm just like a sister to him.
Oh, shucks. Oh, shish. So sorry, Bunmi.
It's okay.
It's okay. I mean, I told you, Sam is nothing but a flirt. Nobody in class takes him seriously. I hate to tell you I told you so, but it's okay.
Sorry, Kate. Lesson learned. No boyfriend talk for me. I doubt I'm ready even.
You're
No,
not.
I'm not. I'm just glad I have you too. So glad.
You couldn't lose us, even if you tried.
Okay. So, who wants noodles?
I do.
I'll cook.
You?
Just give me 5 minutes, I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
She's growing up too fast.
Yeah. I mean, she's so adorable.
Sometimes I just wish Mom were here. It's so hard.
I know. But she's not here. But you are. Thanks.
For what?
Thank you for playing Mom so well. Alright, enough of the mushy mushy. I am going to go inside and I am going to freshen up.
I love you, Mom.